potato soup. Oh, she hit her mouth on there. She's like, I can't get enough. Oh. Yum, yum. Oh, it's all over her face now. Poor thing. She needs a bib. Ooh. You love it, huh? Oh. Should I put that back? Oh no, it's all over. It's all over her neck. Get every last drop.
I guess you were right about dogs loving sweet potatoes.
Oh yes. Oh no, we gotta clean up her neck. Look at it.
She needs a bib.
Yeah, that's what I said. Aww.